Oops, I just
Hey
pressed.
guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Bed Wars and stuff like that.
And today we're joined by me, Gaming Fever 23, and like Titanium.
Yeah, go subscribe to Gaming Fever 23 and me
And
and
Light Titanium.
Lightanium, and the list keeps increasing. So let's get right
Bye!
into it.
Woo!
Really.
Okay, guys, let's get started. The tested yard shall do the defense. Um, Light Titanium, I have no idea what you're gonna do. Oh, we also
Oh,
joined by this random guy. Okay, I'm gonna be
hey
bridging.
random guy.
Okay, responsible for defense. Do good defense, or else we're gonna be goners.
Light Titanium, why are you standing there? Who's doing defense?
Me, I mean you. I'm gonna
Oh, okay.
build. We'll get to diamond first, I guess.
Wait, okay, so that guy's speed bridging to mid.
Just quick cover it up quickly, cause
I know
people
I
show up.
need the stuff.
Okay,
Okay, I got my survival kit.
Oh, it's a double island bridging. This is annoying. What are you guys up to? What's the defensive layers you've put up so far?
And stone.
Oh, I forgot to deposit my gold. Okay, what do you wanna get first? I think we'll get something very important. So, do you wanna get sharpened swords or forges or what?
Prot.
Or we could get heal pool, because then if anyone attacks, we've always got the advantage of defending ourselves. Okay, do better defense. That's actually very bad.
Okay, I
listen to
need
me.
resources for that.
Okay, give me iron, give me some iron.
How much?
Like 8.
How much was that?
Yeah, that's it. I got extra already. Never mind. I'm gonna build to the other diamond island as well. Okay, now do blast proof glass on that. And
No.
yeah.
No blast proof glass supported in this server.
Okay, light titanium.
What?
You go to mid and try to loot emeralds.
Okay, wait, let me.
Okay,
You
let's
know,
keep going.
I didn't remove trios.
Actually, I don't. Trios was sort of the thing no one played. So getting a match was like, I don't know, it took 50 years. Plus the lobby would never be full.
Okay.
Okay, let's get more diamonds. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be 3 or 4. Are you
Need
serious?
blocks.
No, someone's already built to bridge. I mean bridge to mid. Okay,
It's
4.
halfway till there.
Okay, I think we can get prot now.
Okay, I'm making an ugly defense, but it's a defense. Don't complain.
I don't care. It's supposed to be good. That's the
I have
only thing.
6.
Make it functional and nothing will happen. Okay, so should I get prot? I guess I'll get prot then. Okay, now I'm gonna be a little offensive as well. I'll go to mid. You guys keep working on defense. Oh, you almost knocked me out with your building.
Hey.
Are you serious? This guy didn't even bridge to completely to mid.
Hey, is the defense alright?
It's okay.
Is it functional enough?
I guess it is. Next thing we'll do is get forge. I think we already got a forge. Let me just check. Okay, we don't have forge.
Okay, that's the defense done unless we get obsidian.
I got one stone pickaxe.
Okay, why did you get that? We're not attacking yet.
Okay, I'm grabbing
Just
Just
shears.
put it in your ender chest then.
Okay, wait.
Wait, are you bridging to mid?
Yes. Oops, I just wasted a gold there.
I'm collecting some stuff. Done.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, bridge complete. Wow, there's a lot of reds. I think I might need backup.
Okay, I'm coming.
That guy's running like crazy. I'm getting chased by reds. They're
Wait, are they coming to the base?
no. I'm at mid.
Okay, I have 3 blue shiny rocks.
I just yeeted off an emerald because I'm gonna die. There's like 3 reds in here. I'm gonna die.
Should I come back up?
I'm gonna head to their base. Wait, this is just wool. It's just wool.
Wait, it is? Yo, eat them.
Which?
Oh no, it's concrete as well. Plus they showed up. Oh,
Oh.
shoot, that was so close. I got 2 wool out. Okay, yeah, what is yellow even doing?
I don't know.
Yellow is doing nothing. Oh, wait, what if we use... Okay, we need to loot diamonds as well. Someone keeps scooping up the diamonds periodically. Okay, 3 diamonds, nice. That gives us a forge.
Is this a joke?
What?
Oh shoot. I have someone on me.
Just kill him. Okay, fine, where are you?
I'm at the emeralds. Oh shoot. I died.
It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna get some
Okay.
armor as well. Okay, we have better armor now.
Okay, dude, blue is poo poo. Like, literally.
Why?
It's wool.
Blue's defense is gone. I mean, their bed is gone.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Oh, there it. Oh,
Why don't you look at the side
it just
screen?
left.
Okay, that's 4 more diamonds. What do you wanna get? I guess we'll get a heal pool now. Heal pool, yep. Okay, you did a good defense, I guess.
3 emeralds.
Run back, run back.
No, I tried shift clicking in the chest.
Wait, you killed? You died? You were killed?
And I got kicked out of Minecraft. Huh?
/ reconnect. Okay, we need 4 more diamonds.
I have 1 emerald.
What are you doing? Wait, is that not you? Oh, that was a red. A red was trying to get us. In the reds. There's like 1 red left.
Okay, so what should I?
Okay, I'm in.
Okay, we can get sharpness now. Just get swords and armor.
Okay, I have nothing. I believe that the ender chest is. It's not empty.
Okay, let me get the sharpness upgrade.
Yeah. I
Okay.
see that the stick is shiny.
Do you have armor?
No.
Okay, fine. I'll just give you some extra leftover stuff.
Why can't I pick this up?
It's a wow. It's lagging a little.
Anyone needs emeralds?
What? Give me emeralds. Give me emeralds. Give me emeralds.
I only 1.
Oh,
You want it?
I mean, I don't need 1. I need 2. But sure, I'm just gonna go
Wait,
to
take
mid.
it.
No need. There's just they're gonna die out anyways. It's just 1 red. I should have gotten a diamond sword honestly. Wait, I think our teammate disconnected. So just red versus the 3 of us. I mean, it should be easy. And wait, that just gives us we can all get diamond armor.
Wait, we can?
I just got 6 already.
Oh,
Okay.
Shoot.
now
I
what?
mean, a bit
Okay.
disappointing.
Yeah. Let's try to get in the same match.
Yup.
He's new at the game. I'm pretty sure.
Exactly, I can't go PvP. I
But
just
Yeah.
died sometime.
Okay, just
Okay, let me do
oh,
defense. I'll just
screen
do.
on.
Okay, you start building. You start building to any island. Just start
Me?
linking. Yeah, you.
I'll get resources for you guys.
Yeah. You can be the resource looter guy.
Okay, I'll get
Both of you
diamonds.
start building. Both of you start building to other two
Romaner,
islands.
why are you over here?
I'm collecting stuff for getting better defense.
Okay.
Hello.
Wait, you're doing defense?
Why isn't the villager responding?
Take some
Okay.
time, I guess.
Zack or light titanium or whatever.
There's
Okay.
only 2 teams, by the way. Oh, now it opened.
Oh, green and yellow already dead.
No,
they don't.
they
There
didn't
wasn't enough. There
exist.
weren't any players.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah.
you start building as well.
I have
Go.
almost a stack.
Of what?
Iron.
Then give it to me. Okay, don't put it in the under chest. Put it in the normal chest. Put it.
Wait.
Yeah. I need to put deep.
53.
Wow, that's nice.
I'm getting.
Oh, they're coming. Blue's coming. You guys ready? Battle.
We are
stations.
blue.
I mean red. Red's coming. Hacker red. Hacker.
You always think that someone's hacked.
No, like you.
That
should've
guy,
seen-
you should have seen him.
His building was insane. Like 50 blocks
just
per second.
ran.
Plus he has glasses.
Oh, you can break his blocks.
I'll put my resources in.
Yeah, put your resources in. Okay, he's coming for us. Just stay at the bed.
Wait.
Okay, they're hackers though. It's so annoying to have hackers in it. No, you're not, sir. Get out of here. Oh, it's lagging.
It's
Crap.
lagging like poop.
I can't
Okay,
hit
all
it.
of them are here. We're lagging. Oh no,
We
we're
are
gonna
lagging.
die.
Oh,
We're
we're
gonna die.
lagging. We're lagging. We're dead.
Yeah, we're probably gonna all get
Dead.
disconnected.
I died.
I'm getting respawned.
Okay, save our bed.
There's no one. What?
Wait, why is no one here?
Wait, there's someone.
Wait, there is pro
It's
sniper.
lagging. It's lagging.
Oh wait, I see both of them. They're both here.
My thing is lagging.
Everyone's stuck. Hello. Yep.
I can't even. I
We're
died
dead.
already.
Oh,
I
what?
died
What?
twice.
I died
We're
again.
dead. They're
Emerald?
TNTing it. They're TNTing it. Oh
Wait,
shoot.
there's a silver fish.
Yep. We were lagged out and killed by lag.
I have an emerald. What?
To say stay.
Kill him. Help me. They're both targeting me.
Don't worry, I killed both of them.
I mean, I weakened them, but
Can you?
let's just get revenge. Let's go kill him. Oh, our teammate died as well.
buying some stuff.
Oh shoot, I lost all of my loot. Oh, never mind. I stored it up before leaving. Okay, everyone get armor and every sword. Get iron swords.
Someone needs to like. Wait, you guys get it?
Oh, there's this good trick. Let's just lock ourselves in this place. That's also a good trick. Get in. I'm gonna seal it in.
Everyone is in.
You're on the edge.
Okay, I'm in.
Who?
I'm in.
No, you're not.
Yes, I'm.
Oh, yeah.
Red right there. Okay, give
Oh
me a
shoot! They are.
Oh, what?
What?
He was inside?
He is inside.
I died? Okay, this is
I
too
died.
laggy. This is way too
Yeah, we
laggy.
just come back. Rounds lag. We're so sorry for that. Oh, my vote was 1.
Why?
Yes, let's go. Trina for the win.
Aye,
Oh, shoot. Who got first loot?
not me.
Oh, it's the other guy then. Okay, this time you're doing defense.
Who?
You.
Not me.
I'm doing defense.
Fine. Just do as we tell you to. I'm gonna need 12 of this. Okay.
I'm getting
Get
resources.
24 iron ingots and then buy end stone.
Okay, how much?
Just once. Because that's as much as you can afford. Okay, you follow me. We both will go to mid together.
What? I thought I was gonna go to diamonds.
Okay, fine. Wait. Before you start off. 3, 2, 1. Building competition. Bridging competition. Go.
I'm not good at bridging.
Who's gonna get 2 diamond island? Get end stone quickly because people show up and you need to do it quick.
I have and stone.
Okay, blue are hacking like poop.
Why are there so many hackers?
I have and stone.
Okay, then place it around the bed.
Doing that.
Wait, I bought so much. Oh, I made it first. Yes, let's go. You're still making it. Oh, I feel sad for you. Slow bridge.
Remember, I'm a.
Oh, you did nice defense. He's probably better at defending than us. Okay, give me the diamonds you get. Give me the diamond. You fell off.
Yeah, that's because there's not enough wool. I thought it would be your average 32 wool.
It's 48.
bridge thing.
Okay, I'll get that island as well then.
Okay, yellow doesn't exist. That sucks.
No, it's we're surrounded by not so many teams anymore. Blue's coming to diamond. Oh, never
Oh,
mind.
we'll wreck them then.
They'll wreck us. They got hackers. Blue's attacking me. Okay, I just threw my diamond so that they don't get it. I mean, now that's the update. It includes if you fall down and you get other opponents get your stuff. Okay, blue's coming for us. We need to kill them.
Wait, let me just store this stuff.
Oh, you knocked him off. Nice, bro. Their bed is just full. I think. Let's just keep going. Go get their bed. Get their bed. I'll block. I'll give you some time. I'll give you some time. Zach, you just keep stay at the base.
Okay.
No, there's terracotta. No!
Okay, you get it. I'll beat him up. I'm beating them up.
I died. Oh, he has a stone sword and trot. Okay, I just come in for round 2.
Yeah, hurry up. I'm killing them.
Wait, let me do some.
Bro, that guy's good at
Defense.
escaping. Oh, that guy's so annoying.
Oh, one guy disconnected from green.
Okay, I stored my stuff before dying. Nice. Okay, yeah. Just get as much
I
endstone
did
as you
some
can.
defense.
Oh crap!
Okay, let's get blue. We can get him.
Yeah, I died.
Just get a pickaxe. I'm waiting for your diamond island. Blue diamond island.
Now,
More.
Just need 20 iron.
or it's just terracotta. I can get the cheap one.
I was.
Yeah, just hurry up. We're waiting.
I have tons of resources.
I'll distract blue. You keep defending. Hurry up. Come to me. Just come. Yeah. Oh, I got his knock off. Never mind. Don't come. I wasn't looking. I was just looking in your screen and then just blue just comes and. beats
Okay,
me.
they're coming.
Okay. We don't. Oh no!
Oi!
Fire falling.
That doesn't work on endstone.
It does.
And he's hacking as well.
I'm getting tons of resources.
Beat him up. Kill him. Oh, he's building fast. Or hacking. I think that might be the hacker boy we're looking for. Okay. Bro, he's hacking. He's gonna drop TNT on us. Someone get blocks and climb up to him. Hurry up, someone. Oh, he jumped down. Help me. I'm dead. He's at the bed. What are you doing? He's gonna get the bed. Oh, you're going for that bed? Oh, he ran off. He probably saw you getting
I
the
have
bed.
stone sword.
Okay, we don't get swords.
Oh crap, they knocked me off.
Why?
Because there's so many lumps in that bridge, how can I jump over everything? It's an annoying bridge.
Jumping every lump. Okay, I'm distracting. Where are you?
Should I get a bow?
Coming in.
Anyone wants a bow?
Okay, Zach, we're gonna need you as well. All three of us gonna a full assault.
We'd have tons of resources.
Okay, you just stay at base and camp some resources. I'm gonna get a
I
stone
have
sword.
tons of 2 stacks of iron ingot.
No!
Just deposit it then
Okay.
Yeah!
in your end chest.
Yes, I'm doing that.
Okay, I have literally nothing in my end chest.
Just get pickaxe. Just get a cheap pickaxe. Me and Zach will distract the players.
No, I want to be a distraction. I like PvPing these plebs.
Okay, then take my sword. I'll go break it. Get my sword. Where are you? I didn't tell you to run off yet.
Okay, I just killed a kid.
Okay then, wait. Just retreat for a second. We all need to go together. It's assault. We need to go together.
Okay, I died.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you guys. Where's Zach?
Wait,
I
Just
keep
hurry up.
pressing caps lock instead
Both of you,
of
do you have a
shift.
stone sword right now?
No.
No, I'm asking
I
Zach.
have stone sword.
Okay, you also have my stone sword. Where are you? Don't run off!
Okay, I'll wait at Diamond Island.
We're literally waiting for you. You will abandon us. We need to go in together. It's
Oh
assault.
shoot!
You fell off.
Here you go, my sword. I threw it on the bridge.
I have
Wait.
diamonds.
I'm respawning.
Oh no, that guy's coming for me. Help me. Is he
Oh
behind?
shoot!
Oh no, they're blowing the bed up.
Good thing I stored my resources.
Okay, I yeeted him
Oh,
off
I
the
saw
edge.
you. Nice job. Okay, you can have my stone sword. We go in together.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
here you
I'm
go. Let's go. Zach, you also go and help us distract it. We don't care about the swords. This is the time to go.
Okay.
Okay,
I
you
don't
guys
want to
advance.
die again.
Okay, let's go. Assault blue. Oh no, they've got big lumps now. They got what? No.
You fall
No.
off.
Oh, wait, I'm so new
No!
at this.
No, I hate water.
I hate myself.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this guy tried trick. Oh, I died, but I killed one.
Oh, the
of
fake
theirs.
dream guy.
I'm so bad at this. I can't even.
What? No! No! Wait, I was one block from the water. Okay, we need to go into... You guys are going in without me. Just wait.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get a pickaxe.
Wait, the red guy is rushing them. One of our guys.
Okay then, go with them. Go with them. I'm just gonna follow. Go. I got my
These
pickaxe.
guys have absolutely destroyed our base. Is
They're
bridge.
coming.
Wait, they are. In that case, I'll just stay.
Yeah, you
over
stay
here.
defense. I'll go attack them. Wow, Blue's doing good.
Oh,
Blue's doing a good
shoot.
job.
No, he pushed me off. I'm so bad at this.
No. Okay, I killed him and I had half a heart left. The heck?
Okay. Do
Okay.
any of you have a diamond?
No.
Yes. It's right here.
Okay,
in
bring
me.
it to this place.
Why? What do you need it for?
Sharp.
Wait,
Oh yes, Blue's building to us. That fake dream guy's building.
I need to get some resources. I have tons of.
Here you go.
Wait, I have stacks.
Okay, the
and
dream guy's
stacks.
building to us. Oh, Blue's attacking us. Someone's coming from bridge as well, I think. Oh.
I need-
Invis boy.
Okay, you have a.
Hurry up! We're getting attacked from many sides. Invis boy coming in. Are
Okay,
you gonna defend or not? Or dream guy coming in?
I think I knocked him off, maybe. Not.
DC particle effects. Yeah, he fell off.
Yeah.
Dream guy coming. Do something.
What can I do?
Dak, what are you doing?
We
don't-
can't climb
Wait,
up.
I just saw a sword get pulled out. That guy's a diamond sword. He's on in spot. Okay, dream guy's gonna drop TNT on us.
Yes.
Probably. Okay, he should have dropped TNT. I think he's waiting. Oh no, I think he's gonna jump in. Just stand on the bed. So that way if he throws fireballs, we can...
I have 2 stacks of, like, almost 3 stacks of ironing it.
then
Wait,
store it.
move.
Then store it.
Move.
Store it.
Storing it. Wait.
You store, you keep storing or else you
I
lose
even
your
got
stuff.
the iron sword. And some iron stone.
I forcefully
Oh.
dropped him.
He's attacking.
Why is he grabbing our stuff?
Okay, he's gonna get away with a lot of resources. Don't let him get away.
Oh, that's it. That trap.
Okay, what the heck?
He's dead.
No, he's going back for the base.
Okay, now he's
Okay, I hit 4 diamonds on him.
Okay, good. I would say give them to me, but I don't have enough to do anything with it.
Wait, I'm.
Already bought something. It's known as heal pool.
Okay, good.
Okay, let's go attack now. Let's go. Both of you, let's go. We need both of you over here.
Wait.
Oh no, they're coming back. Oh shoot. Oh, it's raining. Great. In reality though. Why did you put water? Who watered it?
Not me.
No,
Someone
TNT. Oh, TNT is flowing out.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, get that guy. He's coming for us. He's right there.
No! No! I have 14 and stone.
That's nothing. Okay, I'm gonna get him.
And sharpness sword.
Oh,
Okay,
I
got
fell
him.
off.
I got him though.
Ah, no one saw that.
Okay, we need to rebuild our bridge.
It should have
Yeah, this water nonsense is kind of annoying.
It's bad.
I died because of the water. This sucks.
Okay, just contain the water, fine. Because in this, there's no source block thing. There's a source block in this. Once you place
I
it,
was
okay.
trying to go to some or the other diamond.
Ah, it's so
island.
annoying!
What do I do?
Oh,
Oh, shoot! There's gonna be water in our base permanently.
okay. No one saw that part 2.
Oh yeah, there's no source blocks. This is so annoying.
Oh, yes.
That guy's an absolute. We got a player in the base. We got a player in the base. We got a player in the base.
Where?
Oh, he's there.
I can't even come.
Oh, he died. The message. came.
Whoa! If I didn't spot him, we'd be dead right now.
Well, not us.
Someone
that-
rebuild the bridge.
That's why I needed endstone. Wait, I'll get endstone. I have enough resources to get like tons of that.
Mm-hmm.
No, I keep. Ah! I'm literally gonna get rid of those stupid lumps. Why are you throwing your pickaxe?
Okay, now I have like 4 stacks of that. Iron ingot.
Don't waste it.
Okay, I'll take endstone.
Why are you buying more endstone? I mean,
Yeah,
it's,
cover it up with endstone. You stay on base and tell us if anything wrong's happening. Like they're attacking
Who?
us.
At least let me buy stuff.
Okay, their lumps is annoying.
I know they have way too many of them as well.
Okay, I don't
I
think
got
anyone
1
saw me.
stack of endstone.
I'm at their base. This might be it.
Your light titanium, how much stuff do you have?
I have 1 diamond pickaxe.
Pickaxe. You
Yes.
Wait, why did you buy that?
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
I am.
Oh, I got the bed. I got the bed. I got the bed.
You did? Okay, I'm going to buy an iron sword.
Oh wait, there's water streams killing
You
them.
need resources.
Oh, I got him. He is eating me off.
Anyone needs resources?
I need diamonds.
I need
don't
help.
have diamonds.
We need to kill him right now.
Let me store my stuff.
Okay, I killed the iron golem. We just need to kill them all.
Okay, should I come?
Yes. Oh, we got that other guy in our team already here.
You know, it's really a lot easier if there was a grand total of 0 water here.
Ah, silver fish. I'm gonna get killed by silver. Never mind.
You got killed.
Dream guy, dream guy, dream guy. Kill him, kill him, kill him,
How
kill him,
many
kill him.
people? There's still 3 people left.
Yeah. There were so many. Their water is so annoying.
I
Okay.
know.
Oh, our water is more annoying.
Wait a minute. I think I just. There's a blue guy with jump auto on our base.
Okay, he's gonna get revenge. Kill him. Bro, that stupid
Wait,
guy
that's
put-
water. Wait, so now our base is blast proof.
But this water is stupid.
It is
Oh,
very.
he's trying to TNT.
Little does he know, Minecraft is a thing. Where
Wait, he got rid of the source block.
I got rid of the source block.
Why?
Why?
It's exposing our base.
Doesn't matter. Is that guy still there? Yeah.
Yes. Someone get a fireball till then.
Oh yeah.
Get a fireball. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna keep check
what
on
do
him.
you need for fireball?
40 iron. Oh no, he put the TNT. Dropped it.
Did it do anything?
Nope.
Do you want this like endstone? I have a stack full of endstone.
Why would we need endstone right now?
Someone get fireball.
I'm getting it.
I got it. Don't waste your iron on it.
Okay, toss it at him. Kill him. Make him drop.
Why
Do.
did-
Wow, he's so lucky. Okay, get more fireballs. No! Someone got rid of the source block.
He's down.
Ah, you're coming in my view.
I'm trying to break this. Oh, he fell off.
Oh, he just
Should
he's
I
like
get dream?
ah. No, we don't need iron golem. Actually, never mind. Just get it.
Okay.
Oh, why is there water
Wait,
still
I
here?
don't have dream.
Ah!
I don't
Oh
have
my
enough.
god.
Whoa!
What? That means someone's at our base.
Okay, be careful.
Oh,
Just
he's
stay
right
away.
there. He's right there.
Okay, it's a
I'm-
4v1. We have a good chance. We have a
Just
good chance.
cover up the base. I have endstone.
There's no point covering up the base. Our bed is gone. Okay, I see the last guy. He's in Diamond Island.
Should I cover the
He's
entrance?
stuck. No. Why would you want entrance covered up? Okay, he's
They can't
stuck.
kill us.
It's a
Oh,
4v1.
you're a player
Okay,
by this
everyone, let's
game.
go. Let's go. Let's advance.
Wait, let me buy a sword.
Oh, wait, I can buy a bow. I'll just try to bow him. Oh, that's nice. I can bow him.
I get the expensive ore bow.
I can't get the expensive bow. He's
Wait,
at the base.
Zach, how much gold do you have?
28.
Okay, can I have that?
Wait.
Okay, he's on 3 HP. He's on on 1 HP. Oh, he escaped.
Whee!
Okay, let's go. Oh, our other teammate is also going in.
Okay, wait, I'm getting a bow.
Oh, he's coming for a base. He's coming for you guys. Why can't I sprint? Yeah, now it's open.
Oh, he's coming for us.
He's gonna run away. He's running.
Wait, where did he even run to?
Mid.
Okay, wow, that's dumb.
How to get rid of the water in a base?
That's not an important thing. First thing, kill him. Our guy's chasing him. Let's just kill him while we have the chance. Oh, he fell down. But he's in the water. He's caught in the water.
Wait, does that mean the server will ban him? Like
No.
it did to us.
Oh, our guy fought. It's over. It's game over. Let's
Yes!
go.
Should I quit?
Yeet.
Okay, don't quit. Just we'll get. Don't quit.
I might have quit. Yikes.
Just quit. That if you die, nothing happens.
Yikes, I'm stuck in the ground.
Same.
Push!
Okay, guys, so let's do this. Ay, ay. Oh wow,
Okay.
I got first loot.
Why this map?
Get
Got a lot
Wait, did our
of loot.
teammate disconnect?
I
Oh, maybe he
did.
disconnected. Oh shoot, we are teammate less. I mean, we got each other, guys.
give me stuff. You go back. You guys go.
Yeah.
I'll get resources. I worked
Last time
for
you were
that.
camping for years and you got like so much
I
resources.
like tons of stacks of iron here.
Okay, prot the bed. Prot it.
Who?
Zach,
Wait. Yes.
aka
enough.
light tight. Okay, build it halfway to mid, and then we'll build to both diamond islands from there. It's very small. This map's very small. Oh, green hacker! He just built the bridge in 0.5 seconds. Hurry up! They're coming for us. They're coming for the bed. They're coming for the bed. Both greens are hackers. Oh no 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 no!
Oh wait, what?
Hurry up, Zach!
Wait.
They're coming for us. Just cover it up. Cover it up. Cover it up. Cover it up. Oh my god.
I don't have enough stuff.
Then buy more. Hurry up. Just hurry up. We can delay them. Let's go to them. Let's. Okay.
I almost a stack.
Bro, those hackers are annoying. Oh shoot.
Oh, they have hella wood though.
Hackers.
You know, I have enough to cover the whole.
They probably have endstone. They have only wood.
Boom.
You got their bed?
Chop him off.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, the hacker team is down. Hacker team is down.
That bed is down, not them.
Okay, they're probably gonna be down. Oh yeah, this place is annoying part.
Should I just go and kill them?
I'm getting trolled. Oh,
Bye.
not trolled. I mean,
Attacked.
bossed. Oh, Red has bad defense. Red has no defense. I got their bed. Boom. Yeah, boy, let's go. Both the beds destroyed by our team. Okay, people are gonna attack our base though. We need to be
have,
ready.
like, zero stuff.
Okay, wow, this round is gonna be short.
And easy.
I got iron sword.
Okay then, give it to me. Like, give it to me. You're not gonna go attack. I mean, you're not better at PvP. No offense.
And do you even want the wooden sword? Just in case.
No. Oh, just 2v4 with bed.
Okay, did we build to a single diamond? Okay, no, we didn't.
Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh, it's lagging a little.
Oh, I already had this.
Okay, I killed one guy. It's just 2v1v. I'm gonna go get green. Someone stay at the bed. Stay at home island.
I'm here. Can't
Bro,
really.
that guy's hacking. Okay, who am I killing? He isn't hacking. He's just good at PvP. Plus, we're lagging. Does anyone have an iron sword for me?
No.
You could have said that a second earlier because I just bought some iron armor.
Okay, that's also good enough. Let's go kill them.
Okay, wow, this bridge system that we have is
Oh no, they're breaking the bridge. Green is cutting off all connections.
wait, is it a quad?
It's a 5 or 6 block jump.
I had 62. I am no. Why did I do that?
Okay, that guy's coming.
No, he's not. You guys are just going back.
Oh no! I missed the jump. It was a 2 block jump. Oh yeah, you were right when it was a quad. It was a quad. It's possible.
I have a bow.
Nice, give it to me.
Okay, I almost just walked off again.
Just give it to me. Jeez, just give it to me.
24 arrows.
Give it to me. I can kill them.
Wait, let me give the arrows.
You can have a good sword and all. I'll give you gold back for payment. You can also have this.
See, tons of arrows.
Yeah, tons of iron as well.
Yo, hither spider, die please.
Oh, I saw lightning strike that place.
That would be me.
Oh, red team.
It's only green. Just need to kill the players.
Stupid green team.
Wait, is there only one spawner in this whole map?
No, there's one upstairs.
That's the only one I'm talking about.
Wait, what?
Green's building to us. Wait, I can knock him out. What? Arrow flew through him. He's hacker. Hack building.
Oh no! He's at the base!
Someone do anything.
Wait, he is?
Yes, he's above the bed.
Oh, I hit him.
Bread.
I hit him. Kill him.
Oh shoot! TNT!
Get him. He cannot destroy our bed.
Yes, what?
I'm not there. I can't do anything about the situation.
Oh, he died.
He's suicided. Oh, he just wanted to get revenge, I guess.
I'm just gonna.
No. Don't kill yourself. I'm gonna get a diamond
No,
sword.
I was just saying I would just build and
Ah!
above me.
Our bed died?
Yes.
You got
Where
that
were you?
notification now.
Yeah, I was in the shop.
What the heck? You were in the shop.
Don't let anyone.
Okay, who wants extra diamond? You can make
Me.
pots with that. I mean emerald. Why did I say
I
diamond?
need gold.
Okay, I have a diamond sword.
I
Let's
have
go boss
gold.
him. Let's go kill that
Here I
guy.
have gold and one emerald. I don't know how that got here.
But that guy did his job. Oh, I know where green is. We can't go attack green. They're sitting on top of their base. Everyone get bows.
Wait.
I already have
Oh
one.
no, he's bowing me.
That's why we just said. Get
Okay, I
those.
hit him.
Okay, ranged.
Okay, I'm hitting him. He's low on health.
Okay, now where?
Get a fireball. He's on top of green's base.
I'm getting.
Oh, I have a fireball.
Wait.
Destroy his base. Hurry up, someone. He's not exposed properly. Okay, someone.
I know
Come
I
Come up
am
here. Come up here.
someone.
Be careful. He's arrowing.
What should I get? TNT?
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's low on health. Kill him. Kill him. Kill
I
him.
can get all TNT, fireball.
We don't need TNT. Just fireballs. Okay, that guy's doing time pass.
Oi, he just hit me. I'm so insulted.
Let's go kill him. Let's kill him. Kill him.
He's just going for me, not you.
Okay, I hit him.
Oh, who's this blue fellow?
Oh,
That's
that's you?
okay. Fireball all of it.
okay, I have 3 fireballs.
Okay, give me them. Give me them. Don't throw it. You're gonna probably miss. Where are you?
Oh, he died.
Oh, you got him.
Yup.
Nice. Let's do one more
I'm
last round.
Okay, should we go?
Yeah, don't press anything, guys. Just wait. It will take us to a new match.
Okay.
I'm in blue.
This time
Blue.
PvP.
Okay, we're all in blue. Vote for
I'm in the
Swashbuckle.
ground.
Swashbuckle it.
Yeet.
Oh, it's gonna be a full match, I think.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
Unless someone leaves.
For Swashbuckle. So we basically got control over the whole game.
Yeah.
I first.
Okay, someone who's gonna do defense this time.
Not me.
Okay, fine.
Not
I'll do
me
defense.
either.
I'll do defense.
I just getting.
I really like
I'm
killing
getting
people.
resources.
Okay, then everyone give me iron. Give me iron. Then that was duplication of resources. Give me
Okay,
your
I
resources.
just got us all good omen by doing the sacred 360 jump off thing.
Give me resources so I can get more.
Give
Zach,
me
Zach, Zach.
resources so I can go to mid.
That's not important as defense.
That's important to kill the others' defense.
Wait. What's wrong?
You can go and
I don't have any.
you can't go.
Okay, give me some extra iron. Anyone, give me your spare iron.
Okay.
Okay, I have 3 bits.
But I need some stuff to buy.
Yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough.
At least give me gold.
I need gold for this. What do you say?
Okay, red and green have already set up a monkey system.
By that, do you mean they're in the trees?
Yeah.
Oh, look at what I did. I extended the bed like by 3 times. This is the actual bed. Like, look over here. This is the bed. This under this. We extended it so much.
Extended it.
Yeah, they've got no idea where the bed is.
Yes,
Oh no, our guy disconnect. What's wrong with you people? Stop disconnecting.
Oh, whoa, stop glitching me out there, fools. Is anyone coming to mid with me?
Wait, I'm coming.
Yeah. Just a minute. Let me just finish defense. Okay, everyone, give me your spare gold as well.
Okay, wait. I'm putting it in the chest.
Yeah, just put it in the common chest. No, the plank which
Some at the
almost fell.
spawn point.
Okay, I'll get it. Shoot, but our guy disconnected. What's wrong with that noob?
The Wi-Fi.
Sometimes people just quit.
Hey, okay.
Okay, you two manage
That's
mid.
not an
I'm gonna do
option.
defense. You two keep killing them. Just keep them fixed. It's a 2v1. Come on, like win this.
He died.
Oh yeah?
I have emerald.
You think you're gonna do good against me, huh, kid?
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh wait, we don't. How do I go back?
I have 2 bits of wool to go back.
I'm gonna come and rescue you then. Emeralds.
I have emerald.
Nice, I got 3.
I have 1.
Can I have that?
Okay, I'm gonna give you some wood planks. That's all I have right now. We need to get you guys out of here. What?
Oh shoot.
Okay, fixed. Everything's
Here,
okay.
Miner, take my emerald.
Wait, no, I want it.
I got it.
No, I already
Hey,
had 3.
let's get obsidian defense
Yeah.
since we don't have much.
Okay, I'll
thing.
give you the stuff.
Okay, you give the stuff and just keep defending us.
That's the 3 bits.
Nice.
Man, the people
Job.
on this server are basically trash at PvP. And what team am I? I am blue. Okay.
Oops, I forgot to get the obsidian.
And of course I missed that for jump.
Okay, I need someone to cover the bridge. Like, just stand by the bridge because I'm gonna break our team's box.
Okay, that's good. I'm a person and I'm Mr. Parkour jump.
I'm coming to give the emerald.
Just one.
Yes.
That's,
Secure both.
Ooh! Red!
Just block them off. Just keep killing them.
They're in the trees. They're the monkey strat people.
Don't worry, we got
Hey
obsidian.
there, monkey.
I'm putting the emerald in the chest.
You know what? The best way to get rid of this monkey is by hitting him easier.
Wait, did he place TNT? We don't.
Ah, crap!
What's wrong with you? Let's get red. Let's do mass movement again.
Oh, that's that hither dude.
hacker guy.
Yup.
That's
I got
not
one
fair.
TNT.
Why would you buy? Oh, wait. Never mind. That's logical.
Our bed got. Wait, how did it get destroyed?
Both of you, just like you'll realize so late.
Because we only had obsidian on one part.
Bro, I'm so stupid though. I should have not wasted my time depositing my pickaxe.
Oh, there's a red guy somewhere. I think he's doing monkey strat.
Wait, I have a TNT.
Yeah, nice.
Place it at
Don't
you.
know.
Don't go onto him.
Dude,
You're gonna
he's
die.
coming.
You're gonna die. No.
Me?
Yes, fall back a little. We need to stay together. I'm just gonna seal us in. Are you coming or not? It's up to you.
Okay, the dude
Run
is.
in! Run in!
Dude, the guy's right there. What are you doing?
Zach! Run in! No, run! Run in! Come back in the... He's gonna die. I'm sorry, I tried to save you. Yeah, come in, come in, come in. You still have hopes.
See?
Hopes. You got hope.
Okay, put it. Put it down.
I'm purchasing it. Oh no, he got TNT, he got TNT.
Even I have TNT.
Oh, watch out, it's gonna blow. Okay, everyone put their swords out. We're gonna have to kill them. Where are you?
Ah! I'm not scared of you, you plebs.
Okay, I killed both of them.
Okay, almost just died there.
I have
I have
one
a
and a half heart.
TNT.
Wow, you need to stop thinking about the TNT. Where were you?
I have one.
Okay, get
No
a
one
gapple.
cares.
Get a gapple. I'll give you a gapple. Take this.
I can buy it.
I just
can
gave it
buy
to
it
you.
on my own.
Fine.
Okay,
I'll get it
wait,
back.
I need it. I need it. I'm not sure what the price is of gapples these days. Can I have it, please? They're probably gonna come anytime. Wait, where is it? Oh,
Oh.
it's in there.
I thought that was you.
Wait,
Honestly.
Did I get endstone?
He's
No!
coming! He's back! They're back! They're back! They're back!
Okay, I mean I was.
Ah! Help me!
Oh shoot, lag. Lag.
Okay, we got
Okay,
him.
yeah.
We got him.
We got
Let's seal this off. We don't want strangers walking in. Okay, let's just keep getting, just get gapples, everyone. We're gonna need a lot of gapples.
Okay, I'm buying an iron sword.
Get resources and
Yeah, get a iron sword, everyone. Get.
I have
Oh no,
iron sword.
I'm disconnected. I think. Ah,
No.
Minecraft died. Oh, okay, hold it till. Oh wait, I won't respawn.
No!
I won't respawn because the bed's gone.
You just do your outro or something.
Yeah, we'll just be back.
Oh no, your iron went into like I got your iron.
Okay, Zach, what do you have?
I have 2 stacks of iron.
Sword. Oh, you have an iron sword. This stone sword is garbage. How much gold do you have? I want the gold.
I have 10 gold.
You give me all of it.
But this is like the worst time for for my computer to fail me. Why did after this? Oh, green is dead. Wow, you're gonna be the direct targets. I don't
I
think you're
dropped
gonna
the
last
gold.
long.
I dropped the gold. Take it.
Oh wait, I can still spectate for you.
Take
Okay.
it.
Okay, I got it. Okay, you farm some gold, I guess, as well. Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
Okay, be ready, guys. Okay, I'm gonna spectate these guys till then. Okay, the monkey system was good. What team are we?
You're blue.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
I see the guy.
Kill him. Okay, hit him from under. Okay, I'll just check out what's with the other reds till then. Just kill him. Yeah, good. Yeah, just manage. Oh, another reds. There is one more reds coming for you guys. Then there's one guy. This. Okay, one more reds
Okay,
coming.
this guy is hitting me more than I'm hitting him.
Then
That's,
gapple. They're gonna break it. The other guy's coming. He
Oh,
probably has a
shoot.
pickaxe. He has a pickaxe. They have a pickaxe.
Please help me. I don't wanna die.
Hit him.
Mrs. Stark.
Hit. I'm gonna be. He's TNT. Run back.
Hey!
Okay, gapple. Silverfish, watch out.
Crap. I'm
Zach!
still not dead though.
No,
Zach,
please.
run. Just run.
I can't run.
Just run. Run. Just run.
No.
How?
Yeah, I'm a spectator.
What? You did nice.
I had stuff in my chest.
Okay, just
But
get a endstone wall. I'm just gonna check their status till then. Where are they? Okay, they're not in at mid yet. Oh, that one guy's on his way. He's on his way. He has nothing but iron. Oh, another guy's coming. He's iron sword and diamond gear. You're dead.
Wait, they're coming.
I know.
It will take like
1 minute.
yes, at least.
Okay,
1
this
minute.
guy's got nothing. He's got leather armor and wooden sword, and he fell down into the void. Stupid boy. This guy's got iron sword and diamond armor. I don't think you're gonna. Oh, it's a hacker boy. It's hacker boy is coming for you.
Just do something. It's like I am there, but I can't do anything.
You get what I am. I didn't even die though. I mean, all of us would have lived because 3v2 is always
Oh,
easy.
good defense.
Okay. Yeah, you just sit there. Gapple. Oh, you grappled already.
Wait, how
Yeah,
what that
it was the.
What's wrong? Oh no. Oh, you're not this. He's breaking obsidian with a stone pickaxe. I thought.
He's stupid.
Wait, how do I
He's
come
just
in?
sitting in the bed. He's sneaking at the bed. He's trying to troll you. Just sit
Well,
there.
I can just stack up on
You're farming,
resources.
right?
He's sitting. Oh, another guy's coming. Oh, three guys. All three of them are at
Three
your base.
guys.
Oh, he's gonna throw a silver fish in. They got silver fishes.
Wait.
Oh,
you-
that guy's a pickaxe. He's opening it. You're dead. You're dead. There's three
You're
people.
Dead. You're dead.
You're not gonna survive. Well, let's try another round then.
Ah,
Okay, this last round.
Same
This
team.
round didn't
this
go
was so
unexpected.
good. Though,
Okay, don't
for
do
me.
anything. Okay, this.
Done.
Alright, guys, let's just rush them.
Okay.
Time for some bad omen effect. Okay.
Give me all your stuff before dying. This guy's doing wool deep. Zach, just go and do defense for 1 minute. Just get some endstone and then you
I
just
don't have
come.
enough for endstone.
Yeah, just sit there and do it. Till then, me and Detested Yard, we'll go to Diamond Island and start climbing up. We'll use the
Wrong
monkey.
answer.
We'll
Too
use a
late.
monkey trick.
Wait, who?
No, not to maid. We're not ready.
Oh my!
What scared me?
What happened?
That guy just sprinted like place, like it was poop.
He's gonna come for us then. Zach, get it. Get it. Get the
Get what?
endstone.
Absent. What?
Endstone.
You have to say a block that's in the game.
Sandstone. Oh, Yellow Bird got destroyed by that guy. Bro, I hate hackers. Wait, what is his name? Someone
My
spell it.
ghoul.
Okay, I'm gonna just report him. /hacker. You know there's a command called /hacker, right? Hacker. My goal.
Wait, it's my girl with 3 L's.
Yes. Wait, Pro Miner, get away. Please.
Okay, I reported him.
Good job.
Please ban him. Please ban him.
Okay, wow, this polar falls person is very kind. He just dropped like buttloads of stuff.
Oh, green is built to mid. I mean, this. I mean, they have built to mid. Oh my god, the hacker boy is killing me. Hacker boy killed me. Help me.
Okay, I'm coming for him.
Okay, I hate him. I officially hate hackers. I mean, I always hated hackers. Wait, Zach. Why did you put endstone around the wall? Well, whatever. We'll just go to mid.
Oh, you almost knocked me off there.
Oh, hacker boy coming. Okay, he's too good.
Oh yeah, by the way, did you know I knocked him off the edge?
Wow. I mean,
Wait, he's coming right now?
yes.
No!
Bro, how did he do it so fast? Hacker. Bro, that was hacking.
Should we just eat his bed?
We won't last a chance against that hacker boy.
Wait, is this?
Plus, they got good defense
I
as
guess
well.
Polar 15 is disconnected or something.
Wait, what if we just gave you his stuff just because he's gonna get disconnected? No, he's alive. You can see in blue. It says 4 people. Oh no, they're coming for us! They're coming for us! Run into safety! Okay, run back. Let
I
that
don't
Polar
want to
Express.
lose
Oh,
my-
let him. Hey, help him out. Help that kid out.
I'll store my resources.
Help me, I'm out. Bye,
I'm
guys.
out.
I'm not out. No, I'm the only one.
Oh, shoot.
No, please. No.
Oh, well, this sucks.
So much stuff.
Okay, is anyone even coming for you? I mean, oh, it's just you. You died. Did you suicide?
Who's alive?
No one. We're all dead.
Why am I spectating?
We're in spectator mode.
Obviously.
Like, when will the next round start?
Okay, yeah, let's just do one more round because it's gonna be a
Last
1 hour
round.
video.
I got the diamond. I'm so-
Yay!
Okay, join, quickly join.
Wait, let me leave.
I'll be in the same team. Yeah,
Join.
join quick. Oh,
Wait,
don't
You're the
join.
only one. Okay, wait.
Don't join.
When should I click squad?
3,
2, 1.
oh, last round. Let's actually wreck those people. Why can't I move? Yeah, it's invasion. Who's doing defense?
Not me.
Hopefully that other 4th guy does defense for us. Because I'm not interested.
What's his
in
name?
Defense. Codex. I already told him. I mean, I asked him. It depends. Okay, I think he's collecting for defense. Okay, let's build towards yellow because yellow is weak. Or do you want to build with blue? Codex, do defense. Yeah. Yeah, do it. Codex, it's up to you. And of course,
I'm breaking our own bed.
okay, he's not defending. I think someone will have to do it. What? Yellow hacker! Yellow hacker!
Wait, is he here?
Yes.
You destroyed the bed.
You can't speed build so fast.
Oh well.
Why are you
Might
only
have
going
to-
for me? Okay, this is
You're
enough.
like one.
I'm gonna kill him. Bro, look at his bridging. What the heck, you
You guys
hacker.
wanna come in? I'm going to block the entrance.
Okay, don't go for him. Just block the end. We're gonna get stuffed in. It's all Codex's
Turn
fault.
off
Let's just
stuffing.
blame it on him.
Okay, I already killed that idiot.
Okay, are you coming back? I'm sealing everything up.
Wait,
Well, everything's sealed up.
Wait
Sorry.
for me!
there's no end stone.
Wait, this is just wool.
I know. It's temporary. I don't have an iron sword. Okay, don't remove the wood. You're in. You're in. They're gonna come for us. What are you doing? Don't remove the wool. Jeez.
Oh, I almost just killed myself. Whoops!
Okay, close it. I'm gonna seal it. Don't go out there. You're gonna die.
Wait, let me get.
Crap! Someone's chasing.
Bye. I'm gonna close it. There's one entrance over here. Just come in. There's
Wait,
opening
I
over
can't
here.
see.
Come in. I'm gonna block it.
I got one stack of.
Okay, that should be good enough. Hopefully. Oh, look at his building. What the heck? That guy's on hacks.
Acid.
Bro, did you see his building?
Oh, he's
Yeah.
above us.
Okay, everyone be ready.
Yes,
We have
he's
to
going
kill him.
Break the glass.
Wait,
You
Zach,
can't.
how much mats do you buy? Do you
Okay,
have?
everyone get iron sword. Do you how much gold do you have? I'll give you
I
extra
have
gold.
11 gold.
Then give it to Detested Yard. He needs it. Just hurry up, guys.
Wait, detested yard. Is this detested yard?
Hello, that's me.
Oh, oh, he's walking on glass. He's above us. Just get swords, everyone.
Wait, I'll get it later.
What?
No
After we're
one
dead?
gets it later. What
Just
kind
get
of
an iron
crap is that?
sword. Get an iron stick.
How?
Okay, he's right there. He's breaking in. He's breaking in. Everyone be ready to kill him.
Oh, what? He's covering it? I don't get it.
Thanks, boy.
I mean, he does know we're just gonna suck up resources until.
I just opened it up and I hit him. Yeah, get out of here, dog. Oh, he ran out.
I'm going to close it.
Yeah, close it.
Close it.
Good boy, good boy. Oh, he's back. What's wrong with you, kid?
Okay, guys, now get iron armor.
I opened from the sides. I killed him. I opened from the sides. He didn't realize and I killed him. Okay, give me extra gold. Zach.
I have like one ingot and I need to get.
Yeah,
some
get.
stuff.
Hey, give me extra gold. Give it to Zach.
Yeah, I have my iron armor ready, so.
You do? Okay,
Yeah,
give all of your
I'm
gold
here.
to Zach then. I don't have iron armor ready yet. Get Gapple still then. And you get Endstone as well. Get Endstone. We need to block ourselves in properly. Boy, do I wish I had obsidian right now.
I have 36 stone.
Yeah, just break all the wool.
I need at least 7
Okay,
of gold.
you get armor sword. That's important. Just
I
do it.
know. I need stuff. Just throw it at me.
Wait, what do you need?
I used up all
I
my
need
gold.
gold and whatever you
I
need
used
to
up
get.
all my gold.
Is this you?
Yeah,
I'm
it's
at
him.
the corner. I need. Wait.
Okay, help me break this quickly. We need to cover this up quickly as well.
I have endstone.
Even I have endstone. Who cares? We'll just patch it up like 50 blocks. Hurry up, just break this. Break it.
Wait.
Start breaking it. They're gonna come for us.
I need more gold for armor. Oh, wait. No.
Patch it up, patch it up. Patch everything up. Okay, start breaking the blocks and patching it up. Okay, the top isn't patched up. Get that.
Anyone wants endstone?
No. We all have some.
This is like the ultimate endstone bunker.
Wait, but what are we even gonna do? We have limited supplies.
Just survive here for as long as we can. Okay, I patched it up very thick.
Oh yeah, I know exactly what to do, sort of.
Okay, give me extra gold, everyone. I know what to do. Just give me the gold, everyone.
Wait, does everyone have iron armor? No.
Do you even have an iron sword, Zach?
I have an iron sword, but I
Okay, how
don't
much
have
gold do you have, Zach?
4.
Okay, give him all your gold. Give him all your gold. Test it out. Give him.
Even you.
I gave him my only gold ingot. Okay, yellow's coming for us. Yellow's coming. I'm just gonna block this window.
Can you
off.
afford it now?
Wait, let me check. I guess I can.
I'm just gonna block this window off so that they can't see us. I'm just gonna make like a 4x4 square from which we can.
Yes.
Okay, yellow's coming for us. Yellow's coming. Yellow's right there. Are you listening? Yellow's right. Is
Who cares?
oh, it's green. It's green. Never mind.
Should I get anything?
No, just be ready to kill. Okay, leave shop like right now and be ready to kill him. He's right there. Oh, he left. I think it's because of the endstone. He didn't have a pickaxe. Well, the endstone scared him. I'm gonna make this.
Ooh, if endstone is so scary, why don't I just dump it all over the place?
That is literally what I'm doing.
Okay, I'll help out in that bit. Okay, just make sure that we
Don't
can.
cover the chests and stuff.
No,
Wait, we don't
chests.
need it.
We're gonna die. We die.
No, stupid slabs.
It's actually carpets.
Even
Oh, I
slabs.
think we've reached the block limit now.
Oh, yes, I can't. Oh, wait. Yes, I can't.
Okay, give me
Okay.
your extra gold. Everyone, give me your extra gold. I have a great idea.
Okay. Wait,
Okay,
take
define
it.
the great idea first.
Me getting a bow. Then we can shoot them before if they break holes. That's actually very useful. Give me 4 gold. Actually,
I
give me
don't
as
have
much.
enough.
Detest it, yaar. Give me gold. Give me
No.
gold. Give me gold. Give me gold.
I want a
I'm
bow.
collecting.
Okay, everyone get bows then.
Okay.
Okay, that's just like very thick. Hopefully, it lasts long enough. Oh, our recordings has hit 1 hour.
Hey,
This is
1
officially the
hour.
longest recording I've done, I think.
Same.
I doubt that.
My this is like
Yeah. Congrats to myself for my first 1 hour recording.
Congrats to myself for like more than 15 minutes of recording.
Okay, I just covered the windows up from both the sides so we can just watch the opponent from this holes. Oh yeah, I forgot to loot the gold. No one's coming for us. Nothing interesting is happening. So I'm just
Wait.
gonna pause and wait for
Green and
anything.
yellow still have their beds.
Yes. They're not. They're
Oh,
gonna probably
wait,
kill
yeah.
each other. They're
I'm
probably gonna
going
kill
to
each other.
make some shears.
No,
Wait,
we're not gonna
why?
go for them.
But
Wait,
what-
does that work?
Oh, blue team died. Blue team died out.
Oh, I can't.
Blue team
craft.
died out.
Should I
Blue
get
team died
thumbtack
out.
stick too?
No! Where are we going to knock them to?
We're inside a base. We're not gonna go out. We're just gonna sit here. And if someone's low, just run to his health. I mean help.
Help.
Okay, and also get silver fishes with all of your moolah.
Okay, I bought a Dream Defender.
I got 2 silver fishes. And I also can buy a bow now.
Silver fishes. That's definitely a thing.
Yeah, then you tell me what it is supposed to be.
Silver fish.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Never mind.
Don't throw it yet.
We don't have any diamonds or.
Why isn't anyone coming for us? This is just stupid.
I'm just gonna sit here for some time.
By some time we mean some years.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have enough resources, right?
Okay, guys, big moment. We're getting not that.
A bow.
A bow.
Oh, I have enough
Hooray.
to buy a bow.
Get a bow then.
Oh yeah, I would recommend saving up for the power one.
I wouldn't recommend wasting your time.
For something that does double the damage.
It doesn't do double the damage.
Oh.
Something like that.
It doesn't
we-
do 1.5.
saving for-
Okay, I'll
Power
suck
one.
up some more resources.
Oh, insulting players is not allowed. I'm just like losers and that's like. I wish we had at least got 1 or
We
2
have 2
forges.
cleared. Okay.
Ha 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 ha.
I typed stop being trash and it reads. I know.
Noobs.
Wait. Hey, give me
I guess they're going to
that.
report us.
Yeah, let them report us. Nether Games, the reporting system doesn't work. Remember, we reported hackers. Wait, let's report another. Hey, he's coming. Oh, that is coming. Oh,
Wait.
never mind. Oh, he went back.
We're just like sitting here.
I'm just gonna
for-
hacker report that guy till then. What was his name?
Wait, I guess someone is coming.
It was
Yes,
some
I
yellow
see
boy.
Someone. Wait, no, there were. Oh, wait, they're coming.
Who cares?
I care.
Honestly, we're stacked. They can't even do anything.
Okay, I'm gonna resume. Okay, guys, after like what 10 minutes of waiting, I think that guy might be coming because we just typed noob and
Okay, they should be angry now.
get
Maybe.
angry noobs. Get us TNS. I'm just like, please get us, guys. This is it.
Guys, we are finally being attacked.
Okay, eat a gapple. Everyone eat a gapple. You know the sequence. Eat a gapple. Keep your bow in the hand. Kill them if they try to break anything.
Okay, what are they doing?
He says mine through your defense with the wrong spelling.
Get
Mine through your defense. You're a defense.
Okay, everyone sneak. We don't want them to show our position. I mean, they know we are in this chamber.
We've been sitting here
Hey, let's
for
go to
ages.
Wait, let's hide over here and sneak.
No, this is not a good place to hide. Or is it? Okay, let's hide. Everyone hide.
I'm going to cash in
Oh,
some more
I see.
gapples.
That guy was almost breaking this block. He's close by. He was almost breaking another block.
Okay, I have 16 gapples.
Okay, everyone has
That's
eaten a
six
gapple.
gapples.
Oh, he's breaking.
Oh,
He's
shoot.
breaking.
Is he breaking fast?
No, it's like you.
I kill him. Kill him. Bow him.
Oh, I will destroy it.
Okay, let's kill him. Oh, I killed him.
Died.
Oh, he's dead forever.
Wait, let me cover it up.
I accidentally spawned in an iron golem.
Okay, someone get endstone and cover that up. I used all of my
Doing
things to
that.
buy silverfishes. Actually, bow spammer. Okay, sure. Wow, that was easy. It was so fun. We were expecting more from you. You didn't even hit us once. Wow, we're disappointed in you, person.
I have more.
That was intense.
Wait, get away. Let me build, or I'll block you in.
Back. I think that's a different. Oh, that's just the same. PPI.
Popix.
Oh,
Okay, he's gonna take.
He's
5
not
years
gonna
to
do
mine.
anything.
Yeah, everyone keep your bows out. Last time I was the only one. What if we actually all of us shot
oh,
him?
that iron golem was like,
Me.
What do I do with all of this gold?
iron golem's like, try me.
Oh yeah, everyone a gapple. A gapple. A gapple.
Oh, I'm out
Oh
of.
shoot! They are over here. Should I cover it up?
Yes.
Wait, I'll
Hurry up.
shoot him.
Wait, get away, or I'll block you.
Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. No.
Hey, who's there? Detested art. Should I block you?
I just yeeted a silverfish. That silverfish is like,
Oh no, I wasted an arrow. Now I have to buy
Okay, I yeeted 2 silverfishes. How many
16
silverfishes? How many
for the
silverfish do you
one
have?
that
I
I
have 5.
I have 9.
I have
yeeted
6
2.
iron golems.
Oh, we got an army of mobs. Oh, they're coming from up. They're coming from up there. Look at
They
the block.
can't break that.
That guy's invisible. Bro, do you see him? He's gonna jump in. He's gonna jump in. Be ready.
Okay, never mind. I have 8 iron golems. Whoops.
Okay, yeet your iron golems. This is the time.
I don't have iron golems.
Okay, I mean, I'll yeet silverfishes at him. Oh yeah, I just put a silverfish up there.
I accidentally placed 3 or something.
Eh.
Oh, he's
He's
breaking.
getting beaten up by the silverfish.
I'm breaking the
Silverfish.
blocks up above.
He's getting yeeted by the silverfish.
I'm just breaking every block he puts over there.
Okay, guys, the gapple has run out. We'll eat some.
Okay, yeah, keep doing that. I hit him. I hit him again. I hit him up. I hit him. Oh, now he's doing it fast. Let him run out of block. Oh wait, he'll never run out of block. He's just stuck in there basically.
Only 1 minute. 1 minute for bed gone.
Oh yeah, that guy's in trouble. If he's stuck here until bed gone, wait, we can actually kill him and get revenge for hacking.
Wait, is he the same guy?
Oh, he's almost dead. Don't kill him. Don't kill. Oh, he ran away. Okay, cover it up. Cover it up again.
Wait, I need to buy. I'm getting not enough, but 2 stacks of endstone.
How is that not enough?
Just kidding. I'll get 1 stack. Okay, is enough.
Oh, I killed him. I got
And
3
I-
Okay, how
iron.
much iron do I have? Ooh, I'm low on that stuff. I'm low on that.
Look at
iron.
where I am. I'm in an
Not
illegal
low on
place.
iron,
I'm
but
not
I'm-
allowed to make 2-block jumps. I'm in illegal place. Yo.
Wait, should I use the endstone? Or wait for them?
No, just wait for them. I mean, they're probably not gonna come now that it's Bedgon. Wait, if it's Bedgon, should we move out?
No, it will take ton of time.
Okay, I
mean, if you
bought
get a
48 end stone for absolutely no reason. Okay, let's.
Oh,
Yes! Okay!
Let's go. Let's go.
We're back in the game!
Okay, let's get out of here and build a dragon this over a sudden death base. Or wait, what if this is a sudden death base?
No.
I mean, the dragons can break through and put us in nothing.
Okay, wait, I have to make an important purchase.
Is it a water bucket?
How would you know?
I'm just
Obviously, it's
collecting
a sudden
stuff.
death. You need water buckets. Everyone keep
Wait,
water
I need
buckets.
to buy arrows and gapples.
Wait, how much arrows and gapples do you have?
I have 6 gapples, 2 stacks of arrows. All I need is
I have like a lot more than you.
Okay, both green and yellow haven't died since sudden death.
okay. Now I have 16 gapples.
Okay, kill
Okay,
any
guys,
dragons coming for us.
It's sudden death.
I think even they have dragons buff.
Why did I get 2 bows? I wasted my gold on bows. Like gold in total.
Okay, one dragon destroyed the bridge.
No, don't get him. He's not. When they're coming to us, then only get them, or else they turn and come at us. There are blue. By the way, those people are blue.
Yeah.
Arush.
Okay.
Okay, let's. Oh, one dragon's coming for us. One dragon. Oh yeah, I got him. That was a long range OP MLG shot. Also get all of your silverfish.
Bows.
Wait, what's the use of those things?
If they attack us,
Who tried?
the other team, you know. Oh, they're building.
Who?
Oh, he fell off.
Did we? No, there's one guy.
Should I use my fish?
Okay, yeah, now or never, guys. Now or never.